Dear students, if you remember these 4 rules, implicit differentiations becomes a pattern, not a mystery. And stay with us. We will discuss these rules here with the help of a simple question. And the question is that x squared plus xy plus y squared is equal to 7. So the solution, differentiate both sides of, this side and this side, left side and the right side with respect to x. So first one is this. Its differentiation is 2x. And this one, it's apply the product rule. First differentiate x, so we'll get y. Then leave x unchanged and differentiate y. So it will become y prime, dy over dx. We also denote it by this sign, y prime. And plus, you will differentiate y square. Here you will apply the chain rule. First you differentiate y square, it becomes 2y. But y is not, it's a function of x. That's why don't forget to differentiate y with respect to x. Again, y prime. That is equal to 7. And the derivative of 7 is 0 because 7 is a constant. That's why. So now collect all the terms having y prime. There are 2 terms, xy prime and 2y y prime. So write it on one side here, xy prime plus 2y y prime, and move all the terms without y prime to the side. That are 2x, it'll become minus 2x and y. It's positive here, it'll become negative on this side. Now, y prime is common. Take it outside the bracket. Like this, x plus 2y, and here it's y prime is equal to minus 2x minus y. So now, pretty simple. Y prime will remain here, and this whole expression will come down. It'll come to the other side of the equation, minus 2x minus y divided by x plus 2y. So the points to remember, treat y as a function of x. Every time you differentiate a y multiplied by y prime. This one, number 1. Number 2, use the product rule whenever you see the terms like xy. Treat x and y both as a function. X is a function, y is a function, both are being multiplied, so use product rule. Third one, differentiate both sides. Differentiate both sides with respect to x, with respect to the same variable, not with respect to y. Even if the right side is just a constant. 3. And the fourth one is collect all y prime terms on one side before solving, as we did here. Y prime, all the terms of y prime on one side and all the terms without y prime on the other side before solving it. If you remember these 4 rules, the implicit differentiation will become a pattern for you. Thank you for staying with us. Contact us on preply.com for further guidance. Bye.